Dear students, I welcome you all to the example, demo example of register storage class. When we declare a variable is a register variable, the memory is allocated in CPU register. So the advantage of the register variable is we are able to access the variable faster. And register variable don't have the memory address. So we cannot use the dereferencing. That means pointer concept cannot be applied to the register variable. That is one of the drawback. And apart from that, the scope of the register variable is local scope. They will alive within the function where they are declared. So register variable are not allowed to declare as a global variable. We will see an example by demo. So open a code block, creating a C file and saving it as a register storage class demo2.c. Okay, I'm including a header file, hash include stdio.h, the standard input and output header file. I'm declaring void main. So I'm declaring a variable, ordinary variable, integer m1 equal to 5. If you don't give any storage class, the default storage class is an auto storage class. I'm declaring another variable, that is a register variable, register integer m2 equal to 10. So I declare a register variable m2, I'm initializing a value 10. Now I'm printing the result, printf /n is the new line character, the value of m1, okay, the variable m1 equal to %d is a format specifier of an integer. I'm closing the double quotation, comma, giving the variable name m1 here. And semicolon to terminate the statement. So what will happen? /n is a new line character. The output will get printed in the new line. It will print the string. The value of m1 equal to the string will get printed. %d, what it will do? It is a format specifier for an integer. It will search the first integer value after the comma, after the closing double quotation comma, and replace the value. So m1 value is replaced with the place of format specifier %d. So it will print the value of m1, which is equal to 5 is my result. Next, I am printing the register variable, printf /n, the value of m2 equal to %d. So m2. So it's an integer variable. It belongs to register storage class. It's an integer variable. That's why the format specifier %d is given here. So what it will do? It will print /n in the next line. It will print the string, the value of m2 equal to, up to this it will print. The %d is a format specifier for an integer. It will search the value, the integer value after the comma, it will replace that value. Okay, so what is the value of m2? M2 value is 10. So now if we print the value of m2 equal to 10. Okay, this is our program which we created. Okay, integer m1 equal to 5 and register integer m2 equal to 10. Okay, as I told you that m1, okay, there's no storage class given. So this is a auto storage class variable. So I'm giving a register. So M2, the integer is a data type. Okay, register is a storage class. M2 is an integer variable and its storage class is register. I'm initializing it the value 10. I have written two print statement. Printf /n is a new line character. The value of M1 equal to the percentage D. The percentage D, okay, format specific, take the value of M1, that is 5. Okay, the value of M1 equal to 5. /n is a new line character. Again, after that, the cursor will move to next line. Okay, next row, we can say that next line. The value of, it will print the value of M2 equal to percentage D, comma M2. So percentage D, it will replace the value of M2. So it will print the value of M2 equal to 10. We'll run the program and check the output. Yes, this is our output. So first, the value of M1 equal to 5, and the value of M2 equal to 10. They got printed. This is our output. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm attempting to declare a register variable as a global variable. For example, I'm declaring a register variable register integer, and I'm giving a variable name M3. Okay. This I'm attempting to declare here. Okay. So what will happen? We'll run the program. The compiler is shown an error. Okay. Register name not specified for M3. Okay. Because actually what will happen, you cannot declare it as a global variable, because in the compile time, it will show the compiler will check and it will show an error that, okay, the memory is not allocated, and error will be shown. So you cannot declare a register variable as a global variable. So what you have to do, the scope of the register variable is local to the scope. Okay, you cannot dilute the scope. So that's why when you declare a register variable as a global variable, the compiler shows an error that, okay, memory is not allocated. Okay, that shows an error. Okay. So these are the things we have to keep it in mind. Register variable, the memory is allotted for the CPU register. The advantage of the register variable is the faster access time, and the one of the limitation we can say that of the register variable is we cannot use the dereferencing operator. That means that the pointer concept cannot be used. And from the example, we understand that, okay, then the register variable cannot be declared as a global variable. Okay, the scope is local to the scope only. If you mention it, the compiler will show an error. When you compile it, the compiler will show an error. These are the things you have to think, and we have to, and for example, okay, we declared it in the as a local variable. The compiler will allow the declaration. So I'm declaring it here. The compiler will allow the declaration now. Okay, now I will save and run the program. So value of M1, M2, the value of M3, okay, is not printed here. For example, I am printing the value of M3 now. What it will do? I'm not initializing any value. As we discussed in the previous example, what it will do? It will show a garbage value. I'm compiling it, okay, it will show a garbage value. Yes. So value M3 is not initialized, so it will show a garbage value. So these are the points we should keep in mind. And the register variable, the scope is local. The default initial value is a garbage value, and we cannot declare this as a global variable. And the pointing and dereferencing operator cannot be used. Pointer concept cannot be applied on the register variable. And one advantage of the register variable is fast access. So these are all the takeaways from this video lecture. And thanks for watching it. That's it.